Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C11 2021 and let me share with you how to change the voicemail notification sound on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to tap on the settings and choose the voicemail. Now let's enter the notifications, and as you can see here we've got the information that the notifications are turned on, and after scrolling down we can find the sound, which is right now set the default notification sound, but as you can see we can pick something from the defaultly installed sounds. What's more, we can add notification sound. Just by tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files, and if you will have any compatible ones then you will be able to pick them and set them as a voicemail notification sound. But let me get back here, and if you would like to listen how the particular ringtone or sound sounds, simply tap on it. And of course you are able to check all of them if you like them or not, and if you found the sound you would like to set, just make sure that it is marked, for example like this one, and tap on OK. And as you can see it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen notification sound in order to actually notify you about the voicemails. So actually this is it. This is how to change the voicemail notification sound in your Realme C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.